nowadays people want something personalized and customized. They don't want random things. आणि आमची हीच मदत करपा खातीर आमच्या बरोबर आमची स्वामिनी आसा, वेदश्री लवंदे. हाय वेदश्री, वेलकम टू आवर सिरीज स्वामिनी. सो वेदश्री, आमी तुजे सोशल मिडियाचेर पळयला दॅट यू आर इन टू ऑल दीस कस्टमायज्ड अँड पर्सनलायज्ड थिंग्स फॉर पीपल. So can you just brief us what you do exactly?
Okay, we are into customized embroidery and cater to your requirements and design it as per your requests and your interest. Okay. So basically, as my tagline says, creativity meets excellence. So we make sure that we put in that creativity to give out an output or a design that is desired by you, that you've thought of on a piece of cloth to beautify it.
Vedashri, what are the products you have? Can you just show us?
Yes, we have different kinds of products. Now these are face towels which are embroidered. These go a lot for birthday giveaways, for kids parties. These are blouse pieces which usually I think every sari lover will have.
Yeah.
I started off with the mask. These are my hand embroidered masks which were a big hit when I started my business during lockdown.
Okay.
Then we also do a lot of bag embroidery. So this is on a cotton bag, and these are also a lot of options for gift giveaways, because now the trend is to shift to non-plastic. So these are all the options available.
Range asa tuji?
Starts from anything from 100 rupees, it will start to whatever you want the design to. But we make small souvenirs which can start from like 80 to 100 rupees. Like if you see, we have small bookmarks over here, which will be hardly less than 100 rupees each. So if anybody wants them for their firm or something specifically, we can very well customize these.
So Vedashri, ho concept तुवें सांगलो तुवें लॉकडावनांतल्यान स्टार्ट केलो म्हणून. So how did you progressed? म्हणल्यार you said you started with a mask.
Yes.
That was hand embroidery. Now this is machine embroidery. How did you progress?
We started with masks and slowly started taking orders for kurtas, which were again hand embroidered. But the thing is, hand embroidery takes a long time and also is stressful on the eyes. So that was the need of the hour to change. So that's when we shifted over to machine embroidery. And then I invented or started off with all these different product line and the catalog line for machine embroidered products.
Okay. And what qualification you come from? Means was this your life?
No. I am a science graduate by education, and this is my profession today. Rather, it was my passion always, which I have made a profession today.
You cater for many spas and hotels. So what is the next thing what you have in mind?
I wish to have a proper industrial setup with a multiple machine. So that will give me a broader spectrum as well.
We wish you all the best for that.
Thank you.
So ही आशिल्ली आमच्या बरोबर आमची स्वामिनी. तिने आमकां एम्ब्रॉयडरी मशीन यूज करून अशे कस्टमायज प्रोडक्ट्स आनी पर्सनलायज प्रोडक्ट्स करपाक दाखयले. साहिल मांद्रेकरा बरोबर अपर्णा बडिगर प्रुडंटा खातीर.